Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So today I'm going to share with you on how to export and import quiz questions from eLearning. Okay, as you can see here, this is my eLearning page and this is my quiz that I have prepared all the questions inside here. So you can see the questions. Edit quiz. You can see all the questions over here. Now, to export this or share these questions just now with other people, what we can do is we go to on the right side over here, we click export and then will be export questions to file. Then you choose any file formats. Usually I prefer to use Moodle because this quiz comes from Moodle and I want to export into another Moodle. And go down a little bit, click here export questions to file. Alright, so now you have to wait a while it's zipping it, and now it come out like this. And you can save to the folder that you would like to. Okay, or I already save it. Save the folder. If you don't want this name, you want to have like quiz 1, you can also rename it as quiz 1 and click enter. Right, you can see down here on the left side is the quiz has been downloaded and it should be there. Now go back to the topic or to your eLearning main page. So what I'm doing now is to import the file that I have downloaded just now. What you do is go to quiz, your quiz. So this is a new quiz. You can see here there's no questions added yet. So what you can do next is just to import all the questions. Okay, if you can see here, the imported file is actually in the question bank. So you import, choose your file. Okay, it's there, and import. Okay, you can see here, all these are the imported questions. Okay, next is go to questions. And these are all the questions that you have imported. Okay, this question is in the question bank and it's not in your question yet. So what you can do is next is you just have to edit your quiz and go to on the right side add from question bank. Okay, so now you can choose whichever question that you want to insert into this new quiz. Okay, for example, I just choose one from the list over here, add selected to quiz, then we've got it there. Now be careful because might be some of the questions will be a little bit different if there is, especially when there is images involved. So you have to recheck again each question whether it is the correct question or not, or you can try it yourself in the preview. Okay, I think that's it from me today. So thank you.